y'all, my name is Megan. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be talking about 30 plus video ideas for your YouTube channel while you're stuck at home during quarantine, or you can just make them whenever you feel like it. If you're new here, welcome, and please hit that subscribe button down below. I have 70 different ideas for videos that you can do at home while you're in isolation or just in general. If y'all want to see a part 2, like this video and comment down below so I can make a second one for y'all. Let's get started with the video ideas. So first off, we have a drive with me. A lot of you are stuck at home. Go get in your car, turn on your camera, listen to some music, just tell a story about yourself, do something. These videos actually do pretty well. I don't know how well music would do though, since YouTube is demonetizing a lot of stuff. The next idea I have is study with me. Since you're all probably online now for school, you can do a study with me. Maybe put some like good music to it that's good for concentration or something like that. Next is call my subscribers. Maybe you have a good amount of subscribers and you can call them and like surprise them and get their reactions on video. Next would be trying to go viral on TikTok in however many hours. I did one of these on my YouTube channel. I'll link it down below. It's trying to go viral on TikTok in 24 hours. So watch that if you want to see how it turns out. You could do learning TikTok dances, teaching TikTok dances. You could do trying TikTok life hacks. You could do that whipped coffee. A lot of people are doing that now for YouTube and like getting the reactions of how it tastes and how they made it. So that's a good video idea. You could try some ASMR. I'm not a fan, but maybe you are, so go ahead and try some ASMR. You could do a morning routine, a night routine. People love watching these videos and trying to incorporate them into their routine, so these are really popular videos. Vlog a day in quarantine. You can vlog yourself doing whatever you're doing at your house. But I will say, if you're new to YouTube, this may be difficult to get views because people don't really know you right away unless you tie it into something. Say you're going thrift shopping and then you're going to do a haul or something. Maybe you could do thrift shopping with me or something. I don't know. Something along those lines to get people to view, because if they don't know you, they're not going to click on a vlog from you that says, oh, going shopping with my best friends today or something like that. You could do a clean with me. A lot of people like seeing like time lapses of people cleaning or organizing stuff. You could clean out your closet. You could clean out the bathroom, like underneath the bathroom sinks. Organize with me. You could do online shop with me. A lot of people are actually trying to support local business, which I think is great. So you could do an online shop with me, local business, and then actually do a haul after that, or you could make 2 separate videos and there's 2 videos for you. You could do get productive with me during these times. A lot of people are looking at ways to be more productive at home. Maybe they have a job that they're working from home or school or something, so they're always looking for tips on how to be more productive. You could do Netflix recommendations. A lot of people are watching Netflix right now, and so you could give them recommendations on shows to binge watch. You could also do this with like Hulu or Amazon Prime or Disney Plus. So I think that's a good idea. You could show your makeup collection. If you have a good amount of makeup, film it. Show people your makeup collection. Tell them your favorites out of it. Tell them stuff you regret buying. You could do a reacting to video. This is where you react to different TV shows or movies or maybe YouTube videos. The one that comes to my mind is maybe Tiger King. That's very popular right now, so you could do a reacting to Tiger King. Carol Baskin killed her husband. Okay. You could do how I edit. You can do how I edit my YouTube videos, how I edit my Instagram photos, and how I edit TikToks. I know a lot of people use TikTok and they actually don't know all the features on the editing side of TikTok. So you could do a video doing that, or if you use a separate app for that, then you could talk about the app that you use to edit your TikToks. You could do, I ate blank for a week, so I saw a BuzzFeed video. I ate expired food for a week. and this is what happened. I think that's really interesting. People would probably click on that super fast. You could do a photo shoot at home for quarantine, like show you how you make props, how you make your background, and like taking photos and then the outcome of them all, and then post them on Instagram and show how they did on Instagram. You could do a music playlist video. Everybody's looking for music during this time to listen to, so that's a good idea. You can do I trained like blank for a week, so like I trained like Whitney Simmons for a week, and you can do her Alive app. I know that's very popular right now, and she just uploaded videos on home workouts. That's something you could check into. You could post on Instagram and be like, hey, what are your assumptions about me, and do the reacting to your assumptions about me video. A lot of people are dyeing their hair right now, so you could do a dyeing my hair at home video, and then do like watch to see my results or something like that. You could do a story time. If you have a really interesting story time to tell, people will watch these, especially if you have like a catchy title, because they are not going to stop halfway through a story time, not hear the ending. So that might be a good video. You could do a boyfriend or girlfriend tag. These used to be really popular. I'm not sure how they are today, but that might get you some views. And then one like big thing right now is tie-dye. People are tie-dyeing, and they're tie-dyeing with Clorox. So you could do a video of like me tie-dyeing my sweatpants, and then show you doing it, and then the outcome of them. You could do how to do TikTok transitions. A lot of people are doing that head transition thing. I'll insert a clip here so you know what I'm talking about, and then maybe you can make a video about how you do that. Roommate prank wars. I think that would be a fun one. I don't have any roommates because I live by myself at college in an apartment, so that is marked off my list sadly, but I wish I could do that. Another big YouTube video that I've seen on my For You page and like trending videos is at home workouts. I tried Chloe Ting's workout for 2 weeks or a month or whatever. Her videos are on YouTube. I'll try to put an image right here on the screen of her videos and maybe link them down below for you guys. But a lot of people are doing her workouts because they're free and they're on YouTube, and people are actually seeing results from them, so maybe that's an idea. And then last but not least, you could do Amazon favorites. Everybody's obsessed with Amazon. Everybody's shopping on Amazon. So buy stuff on Amazon. Tell them your favorites. Tell them what you didn't like. Okay, so that includes my 30 plus videos, ideas for YouTube. Don't forget to like this video if you want to see a part 2. And comment down below your favorite video idea, or if you have any other ones. I have a list going on my phone right now, and I'm sure I'll be adding more as the days go on. Let me know if you want to see another one. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the bell for post notifications. And I will be posting another health journal on Monday. Be watching out for that, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.